Get live updates from ABC News Radio. Then breaking news, in-depth reporting, and more from ABC News Live. Straightforward journalism, powerful storytelling, always up to date. Now, the latest headlines, live from ABC News headquarters in New York.
From ABC News, I'm Michelle Franzen. Unbearable and dangerous heat not letting up. Health alerts stretching coast to coast. ABC News meteorologist Samara Theodore has more.
Skyrocketing temperatures in Texas causing an uptick in heat-related illness as record energy use is putting a strain on the power grid. In Nevada, temperatures in Las Vegas over the coming days forecast to near the city's all-time record of 117 degrees. Phoenix seeing 15 consecutive days of 110-plus degree temperatures. Volunteers offering help to the city's most vulnerable as Phoenix sees a rise in heat-related deaths. California experiencing record heat. Sacramento now under an excessive heat warning through this weekend.
Extreme heat also being felt around the world. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu remains in the hospital near Tel Aviv for more tests after a health scare, but he says he feels good in a video. The Prime Minister in a statement said he was with his family at the Sea of Galilee and didn't wear a hat and didn't drink water, and that's not a good idea. He signaled he may have been affected by the heat. He's thanked doctors and is undergoing more tests. The 73-year-old was hospitalized briefly last October. Netanyahu's ultra-right coalition government still facing backlash for trying to weaken the judiciary system. That set off months of massive protests. Protesters out again in the streets of Tel Aviv tonight, opposed to the reform, saying it's a threat to democracy. Actors and writers with SAG-AFTRA out on the picket lines again today. Two major strikes shutting down the entertainment industry. ABC's Zareen Shaw has more from Hollywood.
Many movie and TV productions from Wednesday to upcoming Marvel films like Deadpool 3 indefinitely delayed, while House of the Dragon, whose cast is mostly British and not part of SAG-AFTRA, remains filming. Actors are looking for better residual pay and higher wages for streaming shows and protection of their likeness from the use of AI.
Studios say they offered historic pay and residual increases in AI protections. Listening to
You have perfected your grandma's pan dulce recipe, and now you're ready to share it with your community. With Union Bank joining U.S. Bank, get access to more branches, bankers, and more digital resources at your fingertips with U.S. Bank Smart Assistant in your language. More than ever, we're committed to creating access that fuels your determination to thrive, so you can give your customers the best experience and the sweetest pan dulce. Learn more at usbank.com/more. Member FDIC.
When it comes to listing your home for sale, everyone and their mom has advice.
Oh, honey, who's gonna want to buy this place? On a cul-de-sac? It's literally a dead end.
But for professional advice, a RE/MAX agent actually knows best.
Let's start with a neighborhood analysis. I've been seeing lots of buyers looking to move here.
RE/MAX is the most trusted name in real estate. Visit RE/MAX.com or download.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Download the RE/MAX app to find the right agent. The right agent can lead the way. Based on 2022 BrandSpark American Trust Study. Each office independently owned and operated.
Especially, and black women, I should say.
The families of 3 murdered women discovered on Long Island in 2010 have a sense of bittersweet relief after Friday's arrest of suspected serial killer Rex Heuermann. It's also giving renewed hope to other families still waiting for justice. Here's ABC's Aaron Katursky.
His arrest bringing hope to Allie Pertel, the sister of Megan Waterman, who disappeared from this motel, leaving behind a daughter. Pertel speaking exclusively to ABC affiliate WMTW.
Just a normal person, and that she had a normal loving heart, just like any person that you walk down next to on the sidewalk, and she didn't deserve this. She really was a fabulous person.
There are at least 6 more victims whose murders have gone unsolved all these years, and families of those victims said they hope this arrest is only the beginning.
No winner in last night's Mega Millions drawing, the jackpot jumping to $640 million. But lottery fever is still alive for tonight's Powerball drawing. ABC's Elwin Lopez says previous winners are full of advice.
Tamara Blunt, one of 22 North Carolina co-workers who split $1 million jackpot back in 2018, has this to say to the next lucky winner.
There's some ways to make it residual income so that you're better off than you were before you won the lottery.